Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duo with your friends in a Dress to Impress game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and if you want to play duo with your friend, the step is very simple. You just need to go to this menu, open up the menu, and you're going to select duo, and then you can choose a friend that you want to invite to play duo. Just simply click on invite, and you can wait for the player to accept your invitation, and after that you'll be able to play duo with your friend. Yeah, that's super simple. Just click on this menu, select duo, and choose the duo or pick the duo. Okay guys, and that's how you can do the duo with your friends in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!